Death before deportation. As man attempts suicide. This ahead of his February 11 flight back to Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Advocates in the United Kingdom are urging the Andrew Holness administration to deny landing rights to the charter flight from Britain, scheduled to take 50 Jamaicans back to the island on Tuesday, the 11th of February. This after one of the detainees attempted to end his own life. The man, said to be about 22 years old, is now on suicide watch. Reports are that he attempted an overdose of some medication while detained for removal to Jamaica. The man's relatives in Jamaica have been notified of the situation. There are now calls for the Jamaican government to deny landing rights to the flight. President of the Association of Returning Residents, Percival Latouche, agrees that the government should deny the flight landing rights. "I am appealing to the government. That plane must not land here," he insisted. They should reject the grounds on which the UK immediately sends people to this country, because they share heritage here. Many of them went over there at tender ages. They were schooled in their system, and now that some end up committing crimes, they should be shipped out here? Latouche said he hopes the government can prove him wrong, that they are not lackeys and do the right thing. At the same time, an official from the UK Home Office has said that the planned charter flight is specifically for the removal of foreign criminals. Local relatives of ex-cons being sent back to Jamaica are also asking the UK authorities to consider their eventual well-being. The official confirmed that those detained for removal include people convicted of manslaughter, rape, violent crimes, and dealing in Class A drugs. The government, in accordance with the law, has continued to remove foreign national offenders to Jamaica, some on charters and some on scheduled flights. Further, he said that the priority of the British government would always be to keep the British public safe. That is why foreign nationals who abuse our hospitality by committing crimes should be in no doubt of our determination to deport them, the official said. Since 2010, more than 51,000 people, hundreds of them Jamaicans, have been deported according to the official. We only return those with no legal right to remain in the UK, including foreign national offenders. Individuals are only returned to their country of origin when the Home Office and the courts, if applicable, deem it safe to do so. Any new legal representations made while an individual is detained are considered carefully and in accordance with the law, stated the official. None of the 50 individuals scheduled to be deported on the 11th of February are eligible for the Windrush scheme. The Home Office added that 29 Jamaicans with a combined sentence of 150 years were deported on last year's charter flight, an average sentence of 5 years imprisonment per person. This includes a combined total of 49 years for drug-related offenses, including Class A drugs, 45 years or life for violent crimes, including murder, attempted murder and assault occasioning bodily harm, and grievous bodily harm, 18 years for sexual offenses, including against a child.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.